designed a boat wrap.
My name's Shane Murray. I work here at SoftSpace. I'm part of the graphics team. We do boat wraps, as you can see in the background. Vehicle wraps are really cool because you can make them fit your own personality, or you can brand them for your business.
I really wanted to capture the essence of a boat, fishing and water. So we put fish scales with some water on a boat.
My name is Michael Poole. I've been fishing since I was 3 years old. In the last 6 or 7 months or so, it's elevated to a level where I've decided to seek out sponsorships, to seek out more aggressive positioning of myself. In SoftSpace, I'd like to thank the crew here. I had a vision to wrap the boat, if you will, to display all the sponsors, SoftSpace being the main sponsor. They hit it right out of the box on the first go around. They delivered in a very timely fashion, in a way with the greatest level of professionalism, and I'm extremely appreciative. Job well done, guys.
These are designers back there somewhere on the other side. There he is. He's a kooky fella.